Welcome to the Account Profile Setup video. Click Create New Account Profile, enter a profile name, you can make use of the Random feature to generate random data for your account profile. Click the Envelope button to set up the email address. In Bookmarking Daemon, it is mandatory to set up a working email address in order to use the software. The reason is because most of the sites require account activation. Bookmarking Daemon will automatically download your emails and verify them for you. Without activated accounts, you will not be able to submit your content. For the purpose of this video, we will use Gmail as an example. Simply enter your Gmail email address here and enter your username and password. Before you can click OK, click the Test Settings. This error shows that you have not enabled POP3 in your Gmail account. Go to your browser and sign in to your Gmail account. Once you have logged into your Gmail account, click on the gear icon that is located at the top right corner of Gmail. Then choose Settings. Click Forwarding and pop IMAP from the Settings screen. Click Enable POP for all mail. Select Delete Gmail's copy from the drop-down. Click Save Changes. Now let's go back to test the email again in Bookmarking Daemon. Your email was successfully connected. If you want to know how to set up the POP3 settings for cPanel, Hotmail, and Yahoo, you can refer to our PDF guide. If you have an email domain with catch-all setup, you can add it into Bookmarking Daemon. Visit the following link to get a detailed step-by-step guide on how to use your catch-all email in Bookmarking Daemon. Some sites allow an avatar to be uploaded. If you would like to make use of this feature in Bookmarking Daemon, locate the folder that stores all your avatar images, and Bookmarking Daemon will randomly pick one for upload. It is recommended to use JPEG images as an avatar. Here you will find the option to set your proxy services if you are using any. HTTP proxies are supported in Bookmarking Daemon, allowing you to submit your content using a different IP address. This will help to prevent your accounts from getting banned by the sites that you submit to. There are two types of proxy settings in Bookmarking Daemon, namely, global proxies are proxy settings that are shared throughout Bookmarking Daemon. Local proxies are proxy settings that are only assigned to this particular profile and not shared with other profiles. You can, however, use the same proxy settings in a different profile. To set up global proxies, click the Global Proxies button. Choose Use Custom Proxy Servers and enter your proxy IP in the format as shown. Your IP address followed by the port number. For private proxy servers, you can enter them in the following format. If your username happens to be an email, you have to add quotes to the email as shown. Click Test Proxy Servers to test the proxy servers you have entered. You can choose to use a different user agent during this submission process. Click on the drop-down to change to a different agent. You can also type your own agent into the field. It is recommended to use the default agent. Submission's success rate can be improved by lengthening the timeout setting here. Most proxy servers are very slow, and submission rates can be greatly affected. If you are clueless on which proxy server provider to use, you can try the service here. Click here to find out what discount you get as a member of Bookmarking Daemon. To set up dedicated proxy for each account profile, choose Use Local Proxies. This is optional, but having dedicated proxy for the account profile will mean that this proxy will always be used for submission for this particular email address. It will ignore the global proxy settings. The IP address input format will be similar to the global proxy settings. Click Save when done. We will touch on setting up your bookmark content in the next video.